This week in Maths, we're going to be looking at a written method for division and looking at what we do with the remainders. So I'm just going to do an example here for you. So if we had 29 divided by 2, well, I know I need to set that out in a clear written method. So that is 2 into 29, and we've seen that kind of thing before. So now I carry out my division, everything on the outside divided into everything on the inside. So how many 2's going to 2? Well, there's 1, answer on the top. How many 2's going to 9? Well, if I know my times table, I know that 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 2's are 8, but I want 9, so I've got 1 left over. So that is remainder 1. Okay, that's the kind of thing that we've done before. But how do we interpret our remainder? What is that remainder of 1? Well, it is 1 left out of dividing by 2. So the remainder is, I'm going to put it separately, remainder 1, or in this case it's 1 out of 2, so it's a half. We do another one. Let's do 31 divided by 3. Well, again, I need to set that out clearly. My bus stop method. 3 into 3 goes 1. 3 into 1 does not go. So I put a 0 there, don't forget the zeros. So I've got that 1 left, and I can't divide anything else. So I've got a remainder of 1. But it's a remainder of 1, or it's 1 out of 3. So 31 divided by 3, the answer is 10 and a third. 10 remainder 1. Let's try another example, which is a little bit more tricky. Let's have 127 divided by 5. Okay, bus stop method. 5 into 1 does not go, so I carry that 1 across, and that becomes 5 into 12. Well, 2 5's are 10, and I've got a remainder of 2, so I carry that 1 across. Now I've got 5 into 27. Well, I know that 5 times 5 is 25, and I've got a remainder of 2 left over. So normally I would do that, but in this case, we're looking at what do we do with that remainder. Well, it is 2 out of the 5 that we're dividing by. So it's remainder 2, or 2/5, 2 over 5. So 127 divided by 5 is 25 and 2/5. Okay, so those are the examples, and I have attached to this activity 3 different tasks. There's A, B and C. A is equivalent to the D sheets, B is equivalent to the E sheets, and C is equivalent to the GD sheets. Please do the sheet that you normally do in class. If you feel confident with this, then if you can, you could go to the next challenge up.